Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having Ford F-150 that generation here, year 2015, 16, 17. If you guys need to find where the fuse for the cruise control is located because your cruise control does not work, you need to always check that fuse, guys. Stay with us, we'll explain where the fuse is located, where to buy cheap fuses relays from, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste time and money. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, okay, the fuse videos here so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So we'll demonstrate on the 2016 Ford F-150, guys, right here. If you open the hood, you have 2 different fuse boxes, but under the hood is the main fuse box for the truck, guys. Okay, the one that's quite important. So in the engine bay, right behind the car battery, you have a fuse box here. If I zoom in a little bit, okay, give me a second. So I can zoom in and you can clearly see that cover for the fuse box right here. If you open that fuse box, you will see a layout that will look just like this one right there. This one will be the front of the truck. This is towards the windshield. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse for the cruise control now. Before we continue, check this thing out. You guys have specific fuses and relays for Ford that could be really hard to find in small towns in the middle of nowhere. They can be really overpriced at the parts stores. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from. I usually keep some spares for peace of mind in the glove box, guys. So we'll recommend to do that. Right here you will have, okay, that fuse panel right here, guys, and the fuse specifically for the cruise control will be in that row of fuses. Starting from the very bottom will be the 3rd fuse up, okay, and that fuse is known as a fuse 109. That 10M fuse is the one that you will need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.